Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your check-in time on booking.com. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the booking.com app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now on the screen, you can see at the bottom there are options like search, saved, bookings and profile. Go to bookings. There you can see three options: active, past and cancelled. Go to active. Then all you have to do is find the three-dot menu right beside the hotel's name. Then from the bottom you can see a small menu appearing. There's options like view booking, message property, change dates and cancel booking. All you have to do is tap on change dates, select the check-in option, then select the dates and tap on check availability, then tap on send request to property. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your check-in time on booking.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.